Hey, I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. Today I've got another brand new listing for you. 5315 Dorchester Drive in Southeast Millcreek. It's on a beautiful cul-de-sac, double lot, 0.79 acres, a little over 3,600 square feet, 3 beds, 3.5 baths, stunning lower level, awesome master suite. This was built by Leon Kolb, and he lived in it and built the house for himself. So the quality is amazing. It's hitting the market right now at $497,500. Let's go check it out. But before we go in, don't forget, subscribe to this channel so you can get more great listings. Click the thumb that you like this and click the bell for notifications. Let's go check out this awesome house. I'm inside 5315 Dorchester. And this place, as I mentioned, is a stunner. And you're gonna love it when you see this video. So when you come in, nice big open foyer, high ceiling with a great chandelier and ceramic tile floor. And our first stop is gonna be this awesome den office. If you're working from home, check out this workspace. Hardwood floors, awesome built-ins, lots of natural light. So right behind me, you walk right out into this real big family room. Gas fireplace, tons of space to watch TV and hang out with the family. And I love this home because again, it's got a nice big open floor plan. So this family room flows right into the eating area and this stunning kitchen. Take a look at this. This place just keeps flowing. So we came from that great family room, we went right into that nice dining area, and it's wide open to this gorgeous kitchen. Black granite countertops, brand new by the way, black stainless appliances, a nice hardwood floor, and tons of cabinet space. Now I'm standing in the formal dining room. And again, nice hardwood floors. This room is big enough for a table for probably 12 people. And check out these ceilings. High ceilings with a beautiful chandelier and great crown molding up there. Just stunning. It doesn't get any better than this. This place is first floor living at its best. And right behind me, a real nice first floor laundry room and the washer and dryer included. Normally, I don't go into the garage and take video of the garage, but this is a really nice 2-car garage with a lot of extra functionality. You got a nice sink out here. You got steps that walk up to attic storage and all these beautiful built-ins. What a beautiful garage. So let's go check out one of my most favorite rooms, and that is a stunning master bedroom suite. Beautiful bathroom, nice walk-in closet, and a big bedroom. Come on, let's go. This is the rest of the master bedroom. Really nice. 2 nice windows and this beautiful recessed ceiling with lights. Love this space. So we're going to head down the hall now to the other 2 bedrooms, a half bath and a Jack and Jill full bath. But on the way down here, check out these 3 closets. 2 of them are pantries for the kitchen and 1 is a real nice linen closet. Let's go. There's one, here's the other one, and here's the 3rd one. And oh my gosh, there's a 4th one in the hallway. Talk about storage. I love it. This is amazing. This place is outstanding. So to my right is the half bathroom. And now I'm in one of the other bedrooms, and this flows right through the Jack and Jill and into the other bedrooms. Take a look. As I stated, I love a lot of things about this house. And another one of those things is this really nice finished lower level. It's got a big family room, a kitchenette area, and another full bath, plus plenty of storage. Let's take a look. So I'm down in the lower level. Again, a huge, nice finished area. And I'll show you when we walk around. There's a kitchenette, a full bath, and if you wanted to, you could easily wall in an area down here for a dedicated bedroom, or just have some pull-out sleeper sofas for your guests and your friends when they come from out of town. Great game room area. You can have a great workout space down here. Isn't this beautiful? This is the kitchenette area that I was talking about. And you've got a sink and a dishwasher. You can have a microwave on the counter. You got outlets if you wanted to plug in a full-size fridge. And again, it flows into a really nice full bathroom. So I'm in the unfinished portion of the basement. And this is one of the nice unfinished basements I've ever seen on this end. When you come in here, you'll see all this great storage, how nice and clean it is. You'll see the new furnace, new air conditioning system, and behind me, the new hot water tank. So real quick, one last piece of the basement here. At the bottom of the steps when you come down is another really nice, clean, dry storage room. And this could be finished to be another office if you need it. We're in the eat-in space just off of this beautiful open kitchen. And we got sliding doors that go right out to a covered concrete patio, a second brick patio, a gazebo, and a beautiful yard. Let's take a look. So I'm walking out onto this real nice concrete covered patio. And by the way, that little beeping sound you hear, this house has a really nice alarm system. But this patio walks right then down onto this real nice brick patio. So you've got two patios, one if you want to be in the sun and one if you want to be out of it. And then it opens up to this huge yard. And as I mentioned, this is 0.79 acres. It's a double lot at the end of this cul-de-sac. So if you look behind me this way, you'll see how far over the yard goes, and the storage shed in the back there comes with the property. That concludes our tour of 5315 Dorchester Drive in southeast Millcreek. And it's at the end of Dorchester Drive in this beautiful cul-de-sac. It's sitting on 0.79 acres. Again, it's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, beautiful finished lower level, nice 1-story living. And we're listing this for $497,500. Check it out. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. If you're thinking about buying or selling real estate, I can help you. My number is 814-602-6181. Click the thumb to like the video, click the bell to get some notifications, and subscribe so you get more new listings. Thanks for watching.